Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Onyx Food Hill. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel. Here in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Buka stew. Buka stew is a very simple Nigerian stew. You only need few ingredients to make this stew, so I'll list out the ingredients which I'll be using. I'll be using red bell peppers, some fresh tomatoes, onions, and Scotch bonnet. You will need assorted meat, so here I'll be using beef, goat, and shaki and cow skin. And also you need meat stock, palm oil, seasoning cubes. So I have extra onions which I'll be using later, but it's optional. So Buka stew needs much peppers, so if you're making this, your peppers should be more than the tomatoes. That's how it goes. So because I've cooked my meat and I've extracted some stock, it's now time to blend the tomato, pepper and onions together. So that's what I just want to do. Now the tomato is blended. I didn't add water into it to blend. So if you have added water to yours, you have to strain the water out with a colander. Because I didn't add water to mine, it's now time to proceed to make the stew. So right away, to make Buka stew, bring your palm oil into a wide pot. I'll be using about 2.5 cups of palm oil. If your palm oil is too much, no worries, you can scoop this out at the end of the cooking. So once you place your palm oil on heat, cover the lid and let this heat up on a medium heat for 10 minutes. Don't attempt to open the pot while the palm oil is heating up, otherwise your kitchen will be covered with smoke. Once your palm oil has been heated for 10 minutes, leave it to get cold for 10 minutes with the lid still closed. Now it's now time to take off the lid. Right away you have a clear color of palm oil. It's time to start frying the meat. So bring your meat into the bleached oil and fry. You're only going to fry the meat except the cow skin. Once the meat is fried, just take it out from the oil and set aside. After taking out the meat, bring the onions into it and fry. Once the onions are fried for 30 seconds, add the blended pepper. If your oil is too much, you can scoop some out before adding the tomato to fry. So I'm going to fry this without covering the lid of the pot. This is how Buka stew is prepared. Buka stew is prepared with uncovered lid. So now we have cooked this for about 10 minutes. The water is yet to reduce. I'm still going to cook this for another 5 minutes until the water reduces drastically. So right away, we've cooked Buka stew for about 20 minutes. Look at how silky the consistency is. This is just all you need. And the tomatoes is becoming thick. So right now, I'm going to add the meat stock into it. Now this stew is not supposed to be thick. It's supposed to be glossy. And right away I'll be adding in 2 Maggi cubes, so you can add to your taste. Already my meat stock is already tasty, and also I'll be adding in a little salt just to taste. Then you bring in the fried meat and the pomo as well. Once you've added the meat, you stir the stew, then leave it to cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, check back on the stew. So at this time, everything is perfectly combined. Look at the goat meat, look at all the assorted meat. Everything is perfectly cooked and it's soft, and the stew is silky enough. So I'm going to take this off from heat and serve. Our Buka stew is ready. This is really amazing. The taste is so amazing and delicious. I hope you do try this out. You can pair your Buka stew with boiled rice, with boiled yam, or with boiled plantain. Usually this is paired with ewedu soup, so you can pair it with anything and enjoy. Let me know if you've tried this out, and thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Stay tuned. Bye.